Hi, I want to show you some information regarding the iPhone replacement screen. So from the outside, you see like this. You cannot differentiate between original and not original. It look about the same. But one is original, one is not original. So how do we differentiate? So I will show you now. So on my right hand side, there's a ribbon here. There's an Apple logo here. Okay, can you see the Apple logo? Small logo, zoom nearer. Yes, this Apple logo. Okay, this is the original screen. On my left, this OEM or AP screen. It's non-original. It's empty here. No logo, nothing. Okay, this iPhone 6 for iPhone 7 Plus. Also the same. This is a 7 Plus. This is a touch IC. This thing that control the touch, everything. So, all the original screen come with the Apple logo inside. Okay. On my left is original screen, which is much more brighter and much more vivid compared to the one on my right. This one is much more dull looking, less bright. So it's a main difference. For original screen, the 3D touch is super sensitive and easier to click. While on the non-original screen, the 3D touch, some is functioning, some is hard to press also. Normally, this is how we differentiate between original and non-original screen. But with this Morphic, all our stock is original, come with 6-month warranty. Thank you.